Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You can see I still got the bus, got some work to do on it. I still got the Jeep. If you're interested in the Jeep, it is for sale. The 95 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.0 automatic. I will sell it with the tent, awning, annex that comes with it. I'm probably gonna keep the propane tank because I have upgraded. And over here is my upgrade. I got a 2026 ZR2. And today I'm going to be mounting the BulletPoint Solutions Dual phone mount on it. I got some plans for this truck. I would like to put a bed rack, maybe even like a smart cap or something like that on it. I haven't made up my mind yet. But probably just go with a bed rack for now. But old Sassy here, sandhill cranes flying over. So okay, this is my first addition to the ZR2. It's going to be a dash phone mount from BulletPoint Mounting Solutions. It comes in a box, all packaged in individual little boxes, all nice and neat. I'll get these out and I'll show you the components. I ordered the Ruby Guard with the dual phone mounts. This is everything in the package. You get the Ruby Guard mount, 2 phone holders. I've already assembled this one, but you get the phone holder, the extension arm, the clamps. This is, you put it on the wing nuts to give you a little extra torquing power. It also comes with the wrench, the drill bit, screwdriver, the trim tool. There's this mount for the second one, all the hardware. I ordered mine in December. They was running a special, so I also got a tumbler with it. This one here, I've already assembled it. Let me show you. This is my phone, and it's got a quad lock case on it. It holds it tight. It's not going anywhere. So let me get the truck around here and we'll start putting this on. I went ahead and pre-assembled the mount here with the phone holders. I did change out the nylon nuts to the Ruby nuts. That way, if you want to fine tune it, you just give all your screws about a quarter turn and you can slide it left or right to fine tune, to clear, you know, something, your radio, your steering wheel, something other accessory. So that was pretty slick. All right, first I got to pop this little tray out of here. And just a side note, it's the high today is supposed to be like 38 degrees. I tried popping this out and everything was cold, so I started it, let the heater warm up, let the interior warm up, and it popped right out first try here. So we'll get this out of here, and then we have to go in and drill out the hose to mount the bracket, and that'll be our next step. Once you get the little bracket or the little plate out of there, there are 2 7mm bolts. It comes with a wrench supplied in the kit, but I'm going to use this little 1/4-inch drive socket. It's just a lot easier because I got carpal tunnel and it's hard to hang on to those little wrenches. Can't see what I'm doing here. And trying not to drop my socket or the bolt down in the dash. Alright, once you get your little mounting screws out of the dash, save them because you got to reuse them. Put them in a cup holder. Got to take this plate inside and do some drilling on it, and then we'll be right back. Alright, you take your little bracket that you got out of the truck. There's 2 indentions right here. You want to take the larger drill bit, and you want to drill right at the top of that. It's for these mounting holes right here, because this will set in here like this, mount there. Then you have to take the smaller drill bit, drill 2 holes right there, and mount this together, snap it back in. We'll bolt it back on the truck right there. So get to drilling. Okay, now it's time to snap this piece back in. I don't know if I dropped it or it wasn't on there, but there was not a white clip on this one, and I took a light and shined down in there, but I didn't see anything. If you was going to run any 12-volt power supply up into here, I guess now would be the time to drill your holes and do that, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm just going to put the phone mount on here, pop this back down in there, take the 2 bolts that are removed earlier, get those started. And go from there. I wouldn't over tighten them, I just get them snug. This one here's kind of in a hard spot to reach. Alright, now go get the ruby grid, the 4 bolts, and get it mounted, and we'll be done. I removed the phone holders and the arms just so I could have more room in here. You can see I didn't hit my head on the mirror a couple times. I'm not putting Loctite on these at the moment. I'll probably come back and do that later, because I'm still wanting to add maybe a GoPro mount and a thing for my Garmin inReach, or I got a 2-way radio, like little walkie-talkies that we use sometimes. So whenever I get everything that I want on here, I'll probably put a couple drops of blue Loctite on there and keep these from vibrating loose, which I don't know if they will. They might stay tight forever, you never know. Get that mounted down, and I'm just putting one little ug-a-dug on it. They're pretty small screws. Get the passenger phone holder on here. Get the driver one on here. Okay. I'll grab my camera, get a phone in there, and we'll see what it looks like. And there it is installed. I got the driver side over here where I can reach under the phone and get the volume button or if I need to. Passenger side angled towards them. See right there, I can still, like, this is my point of view. I'm holding the camera right in front of my face here, so I can still see the screen. I can still reach the power button and the volume control. The passenger, I sat over there. This is over far enough where they can still see the screen and navigate. They can still see the time and all that stuff. But the way these little arms pivot, there is no limit to the direction you can angle it. So it's pretty slick setup. It's a BulletPoint Mounting Solutions. See how it works. I like it so far. I looked at a lot of them, and this was the one that caught my attention. Thanks for watching.